What's up, YouTube man? Today I want to show you something. I just want to show you how you can import the drum kits to FL Studio Mobile, and then so that you can start making beats. I downloaded this drill drum kit from Hip Instrumentals. I shared it on my community. You can go and check it there. But I'll also leave it in the on my description there. So people they think like you just have to go and buy a drum kit and start making beats. Like, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. So in this video I just want to show you how you can import. You know how to export the beat, right? I'm expecting that you already know, but I'll show you how to import, export, and I'll also show you some of the features that we have on FL Studio Mobile version 4.6.14G. So we're almost there on version 5G. But yeah, man, those who make music on FL Studio shouldn't underrate people who make music on mobile, cause like with the skill, man, if you got the knowledge, if you know what you're doing, you're dangerous. Like, people they just underrate, man, this mobile thing is trash, man. It's trash. Do you know how to read, man? You can see there we have project length, time spent on the project started on, project last saved, tempo, sample rate. Do you know what is a sample rate? Do you know when you convert your mp3, I mean when you convert your music to DSPs, like digital streaming, play, what digital, I mean Spotify's and these music distributors, you need to change the sample rate from 48,000 hertz to 41,000 hertz, because some digital music platforms like uh, let's say Amuse, like you have to change the sample rate. Okay, because I used to use Amuse, but now I want to switch to Dito. But today I'm not focused on Amuse and Dito. I just want to show you um I just want to show you how to import your drum kit so that you can start making beats. Okay, let me go to the drums. Let me just get inside here and load the sample. Go to my samples. You can see already I have this drum kit of Ninth Wonder kit, because I love the drum because it's fat. This drum is fat, so I love this drum. The cymbals, the kicks, and the hi-hats. The drums. Why I say the drums is fat, because the quality of this sound that this guy Wanda made is good, man. I like this drum kit that these people are selling us online, man, and then they want us to buy $15, $30. What the earth, man? Because you can get it for free. Why buy? Listen, I just downloaded this thing. I think I downloaded it yesterday. Listen, some quality. If there's no quality, you can make sure that you EQ the 808 and stuff, man. There's a lot of, man. There's a lot. Me, I don't keep drum kits that are not having quality. I don't want to make music without quality, because quality is not the music. It's not the piano. It's the sound selection and the drum kit. I'm a piano drum kit also. I have loops from Looperman. I don't want to play them because of copyright stuff, but yeah. And then I have this drum kit that I've been using it for like 5 years now. It's dope, man. Everything, there's quality, man. This one I can sell it, man. Like, cause yeah, you people, you love to buy. You don't wanna download for free. But yeah, so okay, let's try to write drill on my sample so that I can import the drill drum kit, drill save, and then let's check if it's saved. Yeah, it's saved. It's here. So let's import to the FL Studio Mobile. So you go to the download. You can see everything there on the download. I have 1 2 3, I mean 1 2 3 4 drill drum kits that I want to use on my beats and then all that. So I just imported 197 files, delete the archive file. No, you have to keep the archive file. Also import again this one, drill drum kit. So you import a zip file, so it will unzip itself inside the platform. So what's happening now? Come on, come on. Hey, this thing, it's stuck. I mean, it's stuck, madam. I'm sure you get what's going on, because after that, let me go back and see what's going on. Hey, what's going on? Drum kit is big, that's why it shut down FS Studio. I mean, yeah, it shut down FS Studio, so it's still importing. And this drum kit, it was costing like 500 something megabytes, almost a GB. So this drum kit is big. So if a drum kit, if you're making beats and your sound is clashing, is crashing, is because the drum kit, the size of the drum kit. You need more space on your drum kit and stuff. So this drum kit is taking time, so I just want to cancel and see what will happen, because it's messing up my file right now. Oh yeah, import unachieving is when you unzip inside the FSTM mobile. So you can also unzip downloading there on the files, but you can say FSTM mobile unachieving. It's taking time. It's taking time. This thing is taking time, but it's because the drum kit, it has a lot of uh, space. I mean, a lot of sound, of course. And then the sound, I'm not sure if it will be having quality, because many, I mean, too much does not, so that we can make quality beats, you see. So now I'm unzipping and unachieving. So it's taking time. So it's taking time because I want to start making beats right now. But before I can make beats, I first have to play these drums one by one and listen which sound is good, which sound is bad. And if it's bad, I delete, and then I leave the one that are good, so that I don't take time. Everything is fast. After making a melody, I know I jump straight to the drums.